Hi, welcome back. Today we'll show you 3 methods how you can take a screenshot on your Honda 600. So let's begin. Okay, so the first one is the quick settings. You just need to scroll down and find the screenshot options and tap on this. Second one, you need to hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Like this. And the final one, you just need to knock on your screen. This time, sometimes it's going to record because the knack option have 2 options in this. So you just need to knack twice, the second time. So that's all. Thank you for watching. I hope I help you and see you later.